Your Minfos software allows you to export your retail pricing in a format that can be easily imported by another pharmacy using Minfos. This is particularly useful for groups that want to keep uniformity in their pricing. To export a retail pricing file, from the Stock Manager module, open Price Manager and select the category that you wish to export. Click Review Pricing. In the Pricing Review window, click Export. The export path and file name text box show the default Minfos export location and file name. If required, click the Options button and select a different file name and destination. Then click Open. Click OK. The file is exported to the selected folder and the summary window is displayed. The export file contains all MMPN products in the category and their current retail price. Click OK. Click Cancel to close the Price Manager window. For further information about managing your retail prices in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.